guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'm bringing you a how to bar spin tutorial. My number one trick, my favorite trick, the trick I'm best at, how to bar spin. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Greyson Roberts. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, more vlogs, more action sports, more BMX, whatever you need, all wrapped up into one channel. Also, same goes for my clothing brand. Links in the description. Check out bossindustries.co. Support the channel, support the brand. Anyway, enough of that crap. Let's get into the video. Now, learning how to bar spin. Bar spin is actually such an easy trick. It is so easy. I know you guys are probably like, well, damn it, it's probably easy for you to say because you can do it. Yeah, well, it is easy. I've learned it. I've gone through the process. I can do them regular, I can do them switch, I can do 1 bars, fakie bars, cat bars, 360 bars, and all that switch. Okay, maybe not a switch truck, but here's the thing. You can't overthink it. I've got some simple steps I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a bar spin. You don't need to look up any other bar spin how-to. If you stumble across this one, you're lucky because I'm telling you to not overthink it. Bar spin is so easy. The hardest part about the bar spin is getting the proper form and actually throwing the damn thing. That's what everybody gets stumped on. They can't throw it. They haven't got the balls, just scared to do it. It's a scary trick. I've been there twice, regular and switch. It's a scary trick, but I'm gonna teach you guys exactly the correct form and how to get over that mental block of just throwing the damn bar. Okay, for you people that are regulars to my channel, quick update on my wrist. I was supposed to get an x-ray in last video, but I didn't get an x-ray. But I'm staying off it for the rest of the week. I'm going to some other, I don't know what it's called. We're going someplace this weekend. I'm gonna vlog, probably film a bike roast, probably film a sponsor series. And then hopefully next week, I'm gonna try to get back on the bike, ride, and vlog. But enough of me talking about that because most of you guys watching this video don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. All right, guys, so the first step to learning how to bar spin is obviously learning how to bar spin. You gotta figure out the motion. But lucky for you, this part takes about 5 minutes. All you gotta do is sit back, pull up your bar, and throw it. Now, probably start on the ground like this, with your legs pinched to your seat, and then just throw the bar like so. Whichever way you throw it, just throw the bar. You can either bus it or you can toss it, whatever you want to do. Learn that. Then 1 foot on the pedal, lift up, bar. Lift up, bar. Get that dialed after you get just this dialed. Then if you want, you can sit down, put your pedal on your knee, sit up like this, toss bars. You can lean up against a wall and toss bars. You can lay on your back and toss bars. I recommend learning and mastering every single one of those methods to learn how to do the motion, because the more scenarios, the more times you get it drilled in your head, it becomes muscle memory, and that's just how it is. It's really easy, so just spend like 5 to 10 minutes mastering every single one of those ways to practice how to do the motion, and that is literally so easy. Now, what gets hard is when you're in the bunny hop, and I'll explain later why, but step number 2 is gain the confidence. You know you can bar, you have the motion, you've done it a million times. Now you gotta gain the confidence. Now keep in mind, I'm trying to keep this completely simple because like I said, this trick is so easy. This trick is really easy. People just overthink it, so just follow these steps. Don't do anything more, don't think about it too much. Learn the motion, now you gotta gain the confidence. The easy part about this is, yeah, it's scary to throw, but just freaking do it. Just do it. Just go up and throw. And after you throw the first one, I promise you, you will feel much better, much safer, much more in control for the second, third, fourth, fifth. God, it's so hot. Looking at a beautiful pool right now, and I'm just burning my dick off. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know I am. Enjoying every second, and I hope you guys are ready to go learn a bar spin after this, because I bet that will make your day if you could do a damn bar spin. That's a fun trick. Anyway, gain the confidence. Pad up, wear a helmet, do it in the grass, do it off concrete into grass, do it into a foam pit, do it into your pool. Whatever you gotta do, gain the confidence, because once you throw it once, you'll feel way better. Now, don't start doing none of this. Don't go up, half throw it like an X up and let go, or don't go an inch off the ground and basically do a chicken bar. You gotta jump and you gotta throw it. Even if you slam the first time, you will gain confidence. The more you go up and throw it, the more you fall down, the more you realize what the hell's going on, you will win, you will get more comfortable, you will gain confidence. So all those tries that you wasted going up and not throwing, those don't even matter. That's just wasting your time. The ones that you go up, throw, and land on your face, land on your back, break your bars, that is good. That's a step in the right progression. That makes sense. That's a step in the right direction every single time. Gain that confidence. It's a mental thing. Go up, huck it your first go, look like a man. Everybody's gonna be like, what the hell? This boy just threw a bar. Learn the motion, gain the confidence, just send what you just learned. That's step number 3, is to just throw it. Learn the motion, gain the confidence to throw it, throw it. Trying to keep this simple, straight, raw facts, dude. Throw the freaking bar. Okay, so when you throw it, what I did, I didn't do this the first time. It took a while for me to learn bars the first time because I didn't have anybody to tell me to just do it. Don't overthink it. But I figured this out after learning regular bars. It made switch bars so much easier. My camera might be getting hot. Oh God. I had to come over here because when my camera gets really hot, it starts making this weird hissing noise, and it's probably been doing that for the past couple minutes. I'm gonna show you out there with my bike the exact motion to learn, but right now I'm gonna talk about whenever you go to try it, you're gonna know the motion to do the bar, but you're not gonna know where to put your feet, how to pinch, how high to hop, when to level out, when to throw it, when to catch it. You're not really gonna know what it looks like, let alone what it feels like. So this is what I recommend you do. Your first one, you just go up and you send it and you record it. You either set your phone up on the ground, you have your buddy record it, you set it up on a couple grind boxes like I did. Film your attempt in slow motion. Go up, roll the bar, figure it out in slow motion, and pinpoint exactly what went wrong. If you're throwing the bar straight to the ground and you see that in slow motion, you're gonna know that when your bike drops, you're just throwing the bar down. You gotta throw it even and towards you and nice and smooth. If it's falling to the side, then you know that you're not pinching enough, and you gotta pinpoint exactly if it's your knees, if it's your ankles, if it's your feet. The point is basically if you film it in slow motion, you can see exactly what goes wrong and exactly where to fix it. It makes the process go so much faster if you cut out all that guess and check and you just go straight to the facts. Where is it going wrong? Pinpoint it, fix it. All right, I'm gonna bust this out real quick because the camera's back in direct sunlight and I'm melting. Motion of a bar spin is extremely simple. It's literally that motion that you've been practicing in the middle of a bunny hop. So go medium speed, you can go however comfortable with. You can be to dead stop in the yard if you want to be. But I go to normal speed because the faster you go, obviously the more control you have up to an extent, but just go normal speed, give it a little bit higher of a hop than you're used to giving, and wait till you level out. Once you leveled out, I like to ride 50% on my pedal, 50% on my cranks on both feet, so that way you can pinch your cranks, your calves and knees can pinch your seat, and it keeps your bike on lockdown. It keeps it from going side to side. So you pinch with your feet on the cranks, you pinch everything you got. My very first bar spin, I was 100% on my cranks, literally riding my bottom bracket, but I landed it because my bike stayed stiff. A lot of people, what they'll have a problem with is they'll go up and they'll throw it and it'll go to the side. That's because you're not pinching. Remember to pinch all the way down to your feet, up to your knees. And another problem is they'll go up and they'll throw it and it bounces down. This goes along with the slow-mo thing. Figure out where you're going wrong. You're most likely going up and you're getting scared and you're throwing down in a way like that. You just want to throw nice and easy towards you, not down and not up, so it chops your gizzard. So normal speed, little higher hop than usual, but at this point you're leveled out and you're pinching like crazy. You keep your body weight even, kind of parallel with the top tube. So you're all, pretend I'm in the air right now. Butts out, you're even over it, you're not leaning way far back, so you're going like this, you're not leaning forward, so you're doing that. Keep your weight even, parallel with the top tube, you're pinching everything. Right now, pretend we're leveled out, and you just throw nice and easy towards you, and then you catch and you land. I know I went through that really fast, but the sun is trying to melt the camera and everybody inside of it. Trying to melt me, trying to melt my bike, not cool. So rewatch that part if you have to, but really, I'm trying not to drag this out because this is so simple. You just gotta pinch, hop, level out, stay even, stay calm, throw towards you, don't panic and throw down, up, all that weird stuff, cut that out. Like I said, basically all you gotta do is just send it and film it in slow motion, figure out where you're going wrong and then fix it. Side to side, you gotta pinch. If you're falling off backwards, you're leaning back too much. Kind of use your common sense, guys. That's the key to BMX. Use your common sense. Not enough people do it. We'll spend hours researching how to do a trick on YouTube. We just gotta use your common sense. Hopefully, if this is the first video you came across on how to bar spin, hopefully this is all you need. But I know this is way different than any other how to bar spin video. I used to watch them, but I didn't look any to refresh me on what I should say because I just wanted to literally get across what I think will help you guys learn them the fastest. I didn't look up all the nitty-gritty details of other people on YouTube talking about. This is straight from me, straight from someone who's really good at bar spins. Not trying to brag or anything, but like I'm pretty good at bar spins. I've been doing them a while. Motion, confidence. Send it, correct your mistakes, land it. Easy as that, guys. Don't overthink it. Key points is to make sure you're parallel to the top tube, meaning that your weight is even so you're not leaning way too far back or way too far forward. Make sure you pinch, 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 pinch. You have to pinch and don't throw down. I see so many people get scared, lean back, don't pinch, throw down, and their bike just bounces all over, comes up, mashes their ball sack. Just stay in control. It's a hunk of metal. It'll do whatever you want to do. You just got to do it right. My head is like, my hair is melting down my face. It's so hot. If this video brought you any value at all, please consider hitting that subscribe button and like the video. Share it with your friends. I really hope this video got you over that hump that you've been stuck on to learn this trick. This was my dream trick. I love this trick. I'm very blessed and fortunate that I was able to do it, and I'm able to give back and tell you guys how to do it. I know this video is so much different than all the other ones you've ever watched on how to bar spin, but that's the point. I'm giving you the facts. I'm not trying to sell you some crap. Just do it, guys. Follow everything I said. As long as you keep a good form and you've got the balls, you will get it as soon as you want to. As soon as you start throwing, as soon as you start slow-mo videoing yourself, you will land it. I promise you that. Comment below if you learned how to bar spin from this video. I made one a while ago, but it's totally different. If you want to see more details on how to bar spin, go look at my old one. But this is just straight up telling you what it is, how easy it is. And I'm telling you guys, you can do it. I know you can, so you just got to send it. Anyway, hope this video helped you guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Go send some bar spins. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.
Be excused, cause I gave this shit my all. Ain't got nothing left to lose. Tell me why these little niggas talking like they killers, bruh.